In this magic card trick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do the Geiger counter card effect. Have a regular deck of cards, give it a few shuffles, have the spectator just select any card that they like. Let's say they picked that card. I'm not going to look at it. They look at it, they remember it. I'll just have them place it somewhere in the middle of the deck. Say here, okay? Card goes there. I'll just drop the rest of the cards on top, completely losing it in the deck, okay? Can even give a few more cuts. So it is gone. Now, this effect with the Geiger counter card, the Joker kind of acts similar to a Geiger counter. Now, when I rub the Joker over the cards, it'll make a certain noise similar to a Geiger counter and should be able to let me know what your card is. So I'm just going to fan these out, and I'm just going to run the Geiger counter card just over the deck to see if it can indicate where your card may be, okay? All right, it sounded like a very strong signal in this area. So I'm just gonna take a few of these cards away. All right, now Geiger counter can detect radiation, but the Joker can detect where your card is. So I'm just gonna try and see and listen for that sound here. Yeah, it sounded like it was pretty strong over here. Now you know why you can't trust an atom, right? Because they make up everything. Okay, here, I'm just gonna go over these few cards here. Oh. Oh. Seems like the Joker likes this card right here, the 3 of diamonds. Was that your card? And that's Geiger counter card. And before I let you know how to do this, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. It's really simple to do. You're using a regular deck of cards, well shuffled, and it works with any deck. I was even going to use my new clear deck for this, but I just decided to go with just a regular bicycle deck just to show you that it can work with any deck. Have a spectator select any card that they like, and then you're just using the key card method. So they select the King of Clubs. As they select their card, I give the deck another shuffle and then just turn it over, and I'm just glancing at the bottom card, okay? In this case, the 4 of Hearts. And then you can either just have them place the card on top, give the deck a cut, and then you're set. Or what I did was I just say, place it back in the middle, and I looked at the bottom card, did a little Hindu shuffle, and I'll put a link to the tutorial on the Hindu shuffle in the description. They can have them put their card right here and then just drop these cards. Because of the Hindu shuffle, my 4 is still on the bottom. I just drop the cards on top. And at this point, you can just give the deck regular cuts if you want, and you're all set with the key card. So now we're looking to spread these cards out. We're looking for the 4 of Hearts. That's our key card here. And then the card on top of that is going to be their selected card here, the King of Clubs. And then to make the Geiger counter sound when you drag the Joker over the cards is that you just hold the Joker tightly where you want it to make the sound. So you want it to make the sound in this area right here because that's their card. So just lightly drag it here over these cards and it won't make a sound, but then squeeze it tight, okay? Just kind of play around with that and it'll make that Geiger counter sound. And then just let go of the tension and then don't drag it as tight on these cards. Just kind of loosen up the grip and loosen up how you drag it on the cards, and then it won't make the noise. Just play around with it and you'll get the sound, okay? So just loosen the grip and it doesn't make as loud as it sounds. So you just do it a few times, Say, okay, these cards over here are making the sound. You're shooting for the King of Clubs, so you just, eliminate a few cards, do it again, do it a couple times, Okay. Say it's loud over here, similar to a Geiger counter. And, you know, eventually you just say, oh, the king of clubs is making the sound. Was that your card? And that's it. It's really simple to do. It's just a key card principle, and you don't really need to use a joker. You can use any card as the Geiger counter card when you know, spread it over the cards to make the noise. So let me know what you think. This is kind of an old effect. Leave me a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Till next time.